Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the all-new 2021 Ford Bronco Sport in a base trim, coming with a compact but rugged-looking exterior, powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with obvious 4x4 capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well in the changing weather conditions and changing terrains. But let's take a look inside. First, looking at the back, you have your rear hatch, which opens up to reveal a pretty spacious cargo area. Can always be expanded, of course, by folding down the rear seats. And you have a 12-volt power outlet right there, and underneath here you have your spare with plenty of compartments around it for your tools and other equipment. And then this does close as well, and you have a separate glass hatch if you just want to reach in there quickly. And then looking in the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for 3 with a USB and USB-C there in the middle, so you can plug something in. Then looking in the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. And now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2 information, your My View with a digital speedometer, your driver assist settings, your radio station, your phone controls, and information about your vehicle. But then moving on to the left side, where you have your cruise controls and you have your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. And then on the end, you have your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock there, and you have automatic lights here as well. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which has a nice big screen, and then you have it is radio and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can have an easier time hooking up a small trailer or something of the sort. Then moving down from your screen, you have your media controls as well as your hazards and your auto start stop shut off with a small cubby beneath it where you can put all your stuff, whatever. Then you have your climate controls here, very simple, easy to use, with more cubbies down here with a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet, so you can plug something into power charge from there. Then you have your main shifter on a dial, very easy to use, of course. You have your parking brake, brake hold, and your GOAT modes. That goes over any terrain, I believe. So that's basically your drive mode selector for normal, sand, and then on the other end, Eco, Sport, and Slippery. So you can customize your driving experience quite a bit there. And then you have 2 cup holders and your center compartment / armrest here, which is pretty spacious inside, with another 12 volts, so you can plug something in from there too. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.